How does bankruptcy fraud differ from other types of fraud? Have you ever wondered how bankruptcy fraud stands apart from other forms of fraud? It's an important question, especially if you are navigating the complex world of bankruptcy laws. Bankruptcy fraud is a specific type of fraud that occurs during bankruptcy proceedings. These legal processes are designed to help individuals or businesses manage overwhelming debt. What sets bankruptcy fraud apart is the context in which it occurs. This type of fraud involves actions aimed at deceiving the bankruptcy court, trustees, or creditors. Common actions include hiding assets, making false statements, or manipulating financial records. For example, a debtor might conceal property, undervalue assets, or fail to disclose income. These actions directly interfere with the court's ability to fairly distribute assets to creditors. In contrast, other types of fraud, such as credit card fraud or insurance fraud, take place outside the bankruptcy context. Credit card fraud involves unauthorized use of someone else's credit card, while insurance fraud might include faking an injury to collect benefits. While these actions are illegal, they do not specifically target the legal procedures or protections of bankruptcy. Another key difference is that bankruptcy fraud is governed by federal law and is treated as a criminal offense. The consequences can be severe, including fines and imprisonment, in addition to losing bankruptcy protections. The court relies on accurate information to make decisions about debt relief. Any attempt to mislead the court is taken very seriously. Maintaining the integrity of the bankruptcy process is essential. Bankruptcy fraud undermines this integrity, making it harder for those who genuinely need help. It can lead to increased scrutiny and delays for honest debtors. Identifying bankruptcy fraud involves looking for red flags. These can include hidden or undervalued assets, inconsistent financial records, or discrepancies between reported income and tax returns. These indicators help trustees and courts detect fraudulent behavior. To sum it up, bankruptcy fraud is unique because it occurs within the framework of bankruptcy law and targets the bankruptcy process itself. Other types of fraud may share similar motives, but they do not involve the same legal context or consequences. Understanding these differences is vital for anyone involved in bankruptcy proceedings.